Hey mommies and poppies. So today I am going to be doing an unboxing of my iPhone 12 Pro Max that I recently bought. This phone has literally changed my life. So enjoy. I paid a total of $1,300 for this iPhone, plus insurance every month, which is about $14 extra, just in case anything ever happened to it. Will I cancel it? Maybe, because nothing's gonna happen to this phone. One thing I will say is that I don't appreciate that Apple did not include the charging port for this charger because, like, why would you not? But other than that, this phone is so amazing. The quality of the camera and all of the other features is spectacular.